How to get YouTube Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can get YouTube Premium. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get the YouTube Premium, what you have to do is just launch the YouTube app first. And once you launch the YouTube app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now by default, what you have to do is we have very limited features on the YouTube free version. Let's say you want to get the picture-in-picture mode, you want to get some other features, but it's not available on your app. Well, in that case, you have to upgrade and subscribe to the premium version. So to do that, you have to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, right over here, you'll find the option called Get YouTube Premium. So as you can see over here. So in that case, what you can do is just tap on the button that says Get YouTube Premium. And as you tap on the Get YouTube Premium, you can see YouTube and YouTube Music ad-free offline, and in the background, you can even play in the background after minimizing it. So what you can do is just tap on the option that says try it for free. But before that, if you want to explore some of the features, you can see you can download, you can get YouTube Music Premium, you can get ad-free and background play without any ad interruption, and you can see some other features that you have as well. And what you could do is just tap on the try it for free button. As you tap on the try it for free button, you have a monthly subscription which is 1 month that costs you rupees 129 INR, which is Indian rupees. Now if you're in some other regions, your currency could differ than mine. So in this case, what you could do is you can see we have 1 month free plan, which means if I add our payment method right now, I will not be charged for 1 month, and only after 1 month I will start getting charged. So which means that 1 month is completely free. You can cancel it anytime as well. So just tap on the button that says 1 month free, and once you tap on the 1 month free button over here, so as you can see, we have options to add credit or debit card if you do have. You also have options to add your Paytm wallet. Now this option is only available in India, and if you have a gift card of a Google Play, you could also just tap on the redeem code option as well. So depending upon whatever type of payment details you have, just choose any of it. And if you have your wallet with you, you can go ahead and log into this account and tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen, and you would get 1 month for absolutely free right now, but after that you would start getting charged. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then get YouTube Premium. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.